Hello everyone. In last trimester of pregnancy, many pregnant women they rush to the hospital with the pain abdomen, but they are not sure whether they have true labor pains or false labor pains. So today we'll discuss regarding the difference between the two. जो false labor pains होता है, that is mostly dull in consistency, confined to the lower back and at irregular pattern, subside sometimes with the times, खाना खाने से, posture change करने से, and sometimes with the medication. Not associated with any blood discharge. And mostly on examination जब patient आते हैं, there is no cervical dilatation associated with the pains. But in case of true labor pains, it's mostly regular pattern of pain is there and starting from the lower backache, reflecting, radiating to the lower abdomen and the legs too. And it increases with the time in both in intensity and in frequency. And most of the patients, they complain of blood discharge and some patients also complained of water bag rupture. And on examination of these patients, mostly they have cervical dilatation associated with them. And in these patients, there is no role of any medication to relieve the pain. And many patients also complain of diarrhea too. So if you are unsure whenever you have contractions or whenever you have pains in your last time of labor or pregnancy, do visit your gynecologist and take their proper guidance. Thank you so much.